এখানে এসে মজার একটা বিষয় জানতে পারলাম যে এলিফ্যান্ট পুপস রিসাইকেল করে পেপার তৈরি করা হয়। এগুলো হচ্ছে পেপারস যেগুলো কিনা এলিফ্যান্ট পুপ দিয়ে তৈরি করা। উনি আমাদেরকে এই পেপার প্রোডাকশন প্রসেসটা দেখাচ্ছেন।
After boiling 3 days, it would wash properly. We take out only the fiber here like this. Then see, we need only this fiber. This one.
Oh, they're separating the
Yeah,
fiber.
but if we need color paper, they mix nacre, of course. So we are going to show the process. So after collecting the fiber, put in the grinder machine here. Look at any jar. Put it inside that. So fiber with water, then we grind here like this. 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, it become like pulp like this. If you color fiber become color pulp. Then they bring this kind of pulp to this frame. Then bring inside, dissolve and filter it. After filtering, and we the video news, no? Yeah, like this. We have a light layer like this. Then they have to keep this frame outside inside and very dry. These are the round paper. The rough paper you can't do anything because of too much roughness. Becoming more smooth, they use the roller machine. You can just press it, finally it comes like this. So with this paper, they create all of this.
সেই রাফনেসটাই প্রেস করে মেশিনের থ্রুতে প্রেস করে করে হচ্ছে স্মুথ করা হয়।
Then you can go to out this way.